Just cap it.
What are you doing? You're not driving an
He is driving, Mom.
He's driving an airplane.
I'm about to get the high score. This is reality. Fine, I'll drive.
Dude, you almost broke Melina's iPod.
Even
Well,
though he's going.
excuse me.
Oh, look. You're still driving. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna get the high score. Yeah.
Shut your mouth. Stop
I
playing that
gotta go
game.
get some water.
No, we're in the car.
I want
You're gonna need to go pee, then we'll have to stop again.
It's raining outside. Go get some water out there.
Open your mouth. Roll down the window and open your mouth.
I want clean water.
Roll down the window and open your mouth. You
Did you just
ungrateful
say
child.
tell me to go down a window?
Open the window and you open your mouth, and then you'll drink
I
the
don't
water
want
that's
that
falling
water.
from the sky.
I want clean.
I didn't raise
Be
you to be
grateful
so
for
spoiled. I didn't raise you to be so spoiled.
I want water.
Well, too bad, because we don't have any water. You either
Okay,
drink
fine,
the
I have to
rainwater
go
or
to the
die of dehydration.
I have
Yeah.
to go. I have to use that.
Shut up. I was talking to your sister.
I have to go use
Stop
the
crying.
She has to use the bathroom. Pull up.
bathroom.
What is it now?
Do you have to is it number 1 or number 2?
I told you not to drink that water.
I didn't drink
Well,
any
just
water.
go.
I just wanted water.
Go.
You weren't even thirsty. Step on it. Step on it. Step on it.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, she's coming. She's coming. Oh no. Oh, finally we got rid of her.
Oh my, my hair.
Do you want to go too?
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh no. She jumped in the windshield.
No, there's an open window.
Oh, you guys want
Just
some
shush.
music up in here?
Shut up.
You guys want some music? Oh my god. No, you're gonna distract the driver.
Did you just slap me?
Yes, I did.
I will slap you in your face.
Oh my god.
Oh, you
Let
won't.
me find
You want to go?
Oh snap! It's
See, these
about to go
children-
down. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
What you doing?
Put down the camera. I thought you guys were gonna fight.
This is a peaceful song.
I thought you guys were gonna fight.
No,
What
it's
song?
not. What kind of father are you?
song is
Fine, let's go. And these kids you raised, turn off the radio.
Wow. So you
I'm
have
not
all
in the
your
mute.
music, but
See,
you-
what is wrong with
Your
your whole
kids.
song?
It's your kids. Your kids. I'm not the dad.
This is my favorite
I'm not the mom. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't know
Don't be
you.
retarded.
I don't know you.
Get out either.
Get out.
Young kid.
No.
Yeah, get
Get
out.
out.
No.
Bend the car. Go.
No.
Hurry, come on.
You don't
Get
know
out.
where
Crash.
Look at the road. Go. Look at the road. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Why didn't you guys get out the first time? Who are you two?
Hurry, Crash.
Who are you two? This is our car.
Fine, let's go. Crash, oh no.
Oh, they're dead. Let's step on it. Dude, get up.